It's a very simple dinner tonight on the 5-day drop program. All the ingredients are here. It will take all of 7 or 8 minutes to cook. Now, 4 cloves of garlic, and I have some pork mince. You can use beef mince, you can use chicken, you can put some prawns instead, or even use some tofu and smash it together with the garlic. Saute in some avocado oil to start with, and then when the meat is done, we'll have 1 onion and half a small cabbage. I will chop that really thin and saute it together with the meat just for a minute or 2, and then we'll add some fish sauce and soy sauce, and that's all there is. It'll be ready in no time. Already ready, all cooked, ready to go. Let's have a look. Smells nice. So a nice good portion here, a little bit more. And if I had the bean curd, I would add a little bit, but I haven't got any, so that's fine. Let's try now. Meat here, nice. Yeah, love it. You should try. This is nice.